To reply to the question of what is SEO, I will share with you a part of a free event where Patrick Mullematter, the founder of the patented online marketing mastery formula, replied to this question. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it.
What is SEO? What does it work? Yeah, so what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization, the word SEO, and so this means this is adjusting your website, and it's not only on the website that you work, in your social media, everything that you do online is adjusting it in order to make it easy for search engine like Google, Yahoo, etc. Facebook has also a search engine. YouTube is the second biggest search engine. So Google is the biggest, second biggest is YouTube, owned by the same company. So this is, they must understand, there are robots behind. Even with AI, they must understand well what you are doing. This is by grouping what you are doing. For example, here, if you are selling shoes, a good example that I use many times, if you're selling shoes and you have really the largest shop in Malta, and you have really all colors of shoes, and you write this just on your homepage, we have all colors of shoes, the largest assortment that you can get on the island. So for a human who sees that and wants special color, and he will come there. But for Google, if somebody searches for red shoes, he will not see this word red shoes on the website. Yeah? So you must be very specific and organize your content. Yeah? So if you sell red shoes, have a page with red shoes, and you have this in the title, and you speak about your red shoes, and then you picture about red shoes, call it also red shoes, yeah? Because there's always an information if somebody has deactivated the pictures on their website, and there is an information for those people, what is this picture about? And then they give the information, this is my, or this kind of red shoe, high heel red shoes, so that Google knows what it is. Yeah. So this is a work with Google together in order to give a good experience for the user. That's a big change.
If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at local SEO. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.